Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be looking at my 2006 H3 Hummer and doing an in-depth review and a startup and a little bit of sound and just check out the interior, a little bit about the exterior and the sound system, and talk about the chrome package. And I first like to start off about saying I really like the actual fender flares and these little louvers up here, and they really enhance the exterior of the vehicle. All this little plastic is a really cheap invention for them. I am missing my gas door, unfortunately. There was a chrome gas door. So with the chrome package, what this has is including a little bit on the dash, which you'll see in a minute, that it has chrome rims and lug nut caps, and it came with a chrome gas door, handles, the mirrors, and the marker light frames, and the grille. That's the basic chrome. You can get chrome brush guards. This has a black one. I kind of like the black actually better. I might actually change these rims sooner than later as well. But yeah, so this is basically the exterior. Nice spare on the back. I always like that. There's one rear tow hook, and mind you, might see a little bit of rust on this. It is a 2006. The chrome oxidizing. You can see on the rims as well, chrome oxidizing. It has two really nice tow hooks on the front, and the nice 7-slot traditional Hummer grill. Fog lights are beautiful too. Check them out in a minute. Nice roof lights. I do have the roof racks as well. However, when I bought this, I didn't get the key for them, so they're locked in that position, which is kind of useless, I guess. Nice huge sunroof, power sunroof. Really like that. So yeah, basically it's the Hummer we all know it as. Nice short windows, which really restrict and enhance the blind spots from the driver's point of view. You don't really get much of a view as any passenger either. But yeah, let's take a look inside. Starting off in the back, to match the candy yellow, we have two-tone cream and black interior, and the chrome follows inside as well. Nice nuts on the back of the seat and really nice leather. So this is, one of the standout points for this being a 2006. You can just see how nice the leather is. It's almost like it's never even seen people sitting here. Nice double cup holder. I like that. You can see the backs of the seats fold down, which I'll get over on the other side and show you right now. Let's jump in the back for a second. And, nice, really nice hard plastic liner, little storage there. Tire jack is in that compartment on the gate, and another small window. You can't look out, so your rear view up there is virtually useless. But as you can see, it just offsets very well the black and cream interior. I really like that more than the candy yellow. Nice square tail lights. Got some chrome wheels like we were talking about. They stand out a little too much. I might be changing them to black. But as you can see, the back of the seat is hard plastic, and really nice how they work. Little handle on the bottom here. Just pop that out. I'm gonna make sure the seat belt isn't in there when you do that. These are real easy. Yep, it's a really nice interior. The passenger seat. So as you can see, even the passenger seat is very remarkable. condition for a 2006, I repeat. And lumbar, heat, power, everything you want. Nice size glove box. Like I said, the stainless steel, almost chrome painted radio. You see how large the sunroof is. Whoa! Let's get in there and give her a little crank. This is the worst seat. Obviously the most used. The back's not too bad. So, inside we have the traditional Hummer steering wheel. Really nice. Feels really good. Nice power steering with the H3 logo. Over here we have some lights. It's an interior door light on and off. Not even sure what these are. I don't know, cancel out your hazard lights maybe. The dimmer switch. This is a Canadian made, Canadian transport vehicle, so it has daytime running lights, and if you hold this over for a second and let it off, it's fog lights, which I'll show you in a second. So it's a really simple dash. Like I said, it's in kilometers. We'll check out the mileage here in a second. The radio's really nice and stainless, offering two 12-volt power. I'm going to have to find a cap for my shifter. Like I was saying, power seats are... Gotta love power seats. So, put this in neutral. I don't know how well the sound is in here from my phone, but so we have 155,000 kilometers, which is equivalent to about 95,000 miles, give or take. Really responsive for a 3.5 liter inline 5-cylinder. A little bit of vibration out of the dash over there. Goes away when you accelerate. I don't know if something's loose or maybe that plastic. But yep, to make this rare, it does have the 5-speed manual transmission, and you can just see how just, you know, lovely. That's 5th. And you got to remember, because you don't have a cap on here to read your gears, that this is reverse. It's only a 5-speed, but literally flawless transmission. I absolutely love that. And did have a brand new clutch put in it, so beautiful the way it goes down. And, a lot of pressure, a lot of feedback. So see if we can get some radio on here. And it has a Bose audio and Monsoon sound system. Definitely packs a punch in the back and out of the subwoofer. Great treble as well. As you see, we have the 4 high and 4 low lock. Traction control when you're in all time. Alright, we'll turn 4-ways on. Like I said, over here on the side, just hold this for a second, let off. Just a click from the button and the window goes down. Nice power mirrors. Right from a touch of a button. Really like that. Oh, don't don't have fog lights on yet. Cool. Well, that'll be a story for another day. We'll just take a peek at this. Apologize for having to set the phone down there. Yeah. Nice little 3.5 liter vortec inline 5-cylinder. A little dirty, but nothing major. Nice bright tail lights. Really like that. Yep. Well, like I said, this is it. 155,000 kilometers. Overall, great shape. You always want to leave your vehicle in reverse with the parking brake set, which mine doesn't work. But yep, I hope you enjoyed my kind of sort of in-depth view and review of my 2006 Hummer. Hope you enjoyed.